Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab in black crystal pearl. So you have your headlights and your running lights. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6. Coming around to the side is currently sitting on 17-inch rims with Goodyear tires. We have your chrome side step and your heated exterior mirrors. Opening up the driver's side door, we have your exterior mirrors, windows and locks, storage in the door, your headlamp adjuster. Then you have this diesel gray cloth seating through with a manually adjusted seat, and this does lift up as well to give you an extra seat. Coming around to the back, storage in the doors, your mirrors. You have a back bench. It does fold up to in-floor storage, so anything you put in there will be nice and hidden. You also have your 2 cup holders. Come around to the back, we have our trailer hitch, trailer hookups, a locking tailgate with a tunnel cover. Taking a look at the other side, that same storage in the doors, your windows. There's also hidden in-floor storage under the mat. It's the same thing on the other side as well. Just lifts up. And then we have your storage in your doors, your windows locks, your manually adjusted seat, and the glove compartment. I'm going to grab the key to show you the rest inside. So here's our key. We have our panic button, unlock and lock. So on our steering wheel we have our cruise control options, and these allow us to scroll through our dash here. So we have our speedometer. We can change it into miles per hour if needed. We have our vehicle information, so tire pressure, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, battery voltage, gauge summary, engine hours. We have our fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, turn menu off, and back to our speedometer. There's only 3,994 kilometers on it, so lots of life left, but if you want to make sure you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. We have our 4-wheel drive lock, 4-wheel drive low, and 2-wheel drive adjuster. And then our media. So we have media, so we have AM, FM, satellite. Media, so we have USB aux, our presets, tuner, our info, ABC, volume, menu back. We have our hazards, climate controls, and then tow/haul and traction control off. We have our 3 cup holders, and this lifts up. This is also where our USB and aux are. Alright, so that's my video on this 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab in brilliant black crystal pearl. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.